Hi guys, Miss Bodner here. I just wanted to get on real quick and explain your lesson for the week. This week you will be learning your harmonies, all of the parts that complement the melody line that we have already learned. I will first and foremost say I am very sorry. A couple of those times that I have recorded these videos, I got a little bit tongue twisted. I think it was the lower part whenever I was singing the Spanish part. So just bear with me. This is more for the harmonies anyways. I will correct myself whenever you all get back in class. I think the other ones are correct. It was just on El Mundo, I don't know, I threw in an R. I don't know what was going on. But anyways, so there's going to be 4 different parts that you can work on. I want you to listen to all of the videos that I post. I have made a YouTube channel, so you guys will have private links to be able to access that. There are there's 4. There's the lower end, that's the lower range. There's the mid range, there's the high range, and then like the highest part. So I want you to listen to those, try and sing along with them, and figure out where your voice lends to. It's not going to be the same for everybody, so I did not want to post just one part for one certain grade level because it really depends on individual voices for this. So what I do want though for your assignment for the week, I'm going to make an assignment basically, but it will pretty much just say which part did your voice fit in at, so that whenever I go to group you guys together, I will group you all together based on which part you're singing, so that it'll make it easier on you. Now, the videos that I have posted, I'm really excited for you guys to play around with these and start to listen to them. I used an app called Acapella. I don't know if you know it. I'm sure you probably do, though. I was able to record over top of myself. The reason why we haven't really started these parts nearly as much is because I had to figure out a way to do them. It was a lot more difficult in class because I cannot duplicate myself. In order to teach harmonies, you really need more than one person to stay on the lead portion, what we've already learned, and then another person to start singing the harmonies around it to teach the other people. I'm one person, so it was really difficult for me to do in class. However, on the Acapella app, I can duplicate myself. So you will see there will be one of me singing the lead line, the "We Are the World," the part that you guys already know. And then there will be 3 of me singing the parts that you guys are going to have the opportunity to learn. So you will get to choose which part you want. Every single video that I've posted has 3 of me in that part. So it sounds a little bit more like a chorus. You'll know which part is the one that's different because it has the just you and me. So it does sound different. So you'll know which part is the one you're learning. Now, there is another video that I have added. I want you guys to listen to whichever video your voice goes towards the most as many times as you need to be able to learn those parts. It's just the chorus. It's not like it's the entire song, so it should be pretty simple. A lot of it is the ahs type of thing too. So it'll be really easy. But afterwards, if you all feel confident enough in what you have learned, you can go and try it with the video I've posted that there are 9 of me in it. It has all of the parts together. So if you think you can hold your own at that point after you have listened enough to it that you're not going to move on to one of the other parts and you can really stick with the part and you've got that really good and strong in your head, go ahead and move on and sing it with the other ones. It's kind of fun to do. Now, you won't probably have to do that whenever we actually record this. I will keep them kind of the melody line and your one part to make it easier on you all, because sometimes it can get difficult whenever you start adding in a lot of parts if you haven't sang and had to kind of tune people out at the same time. So I will make sure that it's as easy as possible whenever we go to record it. But it's kind of fun to be able to hear all of the different parts together and how it will sound like whenever it's put together. Now, it won't sound exactly like that because it is all me, so it's not the same, or it's not different voices. Whenever you have different voices, that's whenever it sounds really, really incredible. Whenever it's just one of you, it really, really blends. So it sounds cool, but it doesn't sound nearly as choir-like, I guess. So I'm really, really excited to see where we end up at whenever we come back to school and see if you guys kind of take off and run with this. Next week, I am hoping that I can get it to the point where you all will feel comfortable enough to try and record your part and send it to me so I can see if that's really the right part for you. For this week, I'm going to have you guys take the reins on this and kind of figure out which part you think your voice lends to. But next week, I'm hoping that I can get you all to record and send it to me so that I can see if maybe you went for the mid one and maybe you're more of the lower range, or maybe you went for the mid one and maybe you can go up a step. It really just depends on where your voice really fits at. I want to get you in a comfortable range because that's where you're going to sound the best. So I hope you guys have fun with this. I had an amazing time making this for you guys. Sorry, I'm stumbling over my words again. All right. Have a great Monday, or it'll be Tuesday whenever I send this to you guys. Either way, have a great week, and I will see you later. Bye.